Joint report we will do a little later. We'll talk about it later on because it's before that you need to understand a couple of other things. These three are pretty simple, straightforward reports: tabular, matrix, and summary. Joint report we will do a little later. But before that, let us understand what do we do with this report. Once the report has been created, now what do you do with this report? What are the options that you have? So you have a lot of options. What can we do with the reports? First of all, we can save it for future use. Let's say there is a report which you need on a frequent basis. So you can create and save it so that every time you don't have to go and create that report. Right. So whenever you need the report, you can just come and open the same report. The way we create our files and we save them. Second, you can export the report. Okay, you have the option of exporting the data into an Excel or CSV format. Excel or CSV are supported here. What is the third thing that we can do with the report? We can print the report. You'll have the option of printing the report, and you can schedule a report. You can schedule the report that you have created. Scheduling means, okay, sometimes some of the reports will have a requirement some of the reports will have the requirement to be sent to some users on a frequent basis. Okay, like if there is a monthly report and a few people want to receive the same report on first of every month, or there is a weekly report which needs to go out on every Friday, right? So you don't have to do it manually. You don't have to run the report every Friday and send it to users. Salesforce have that option of scheduling the report and sending that report automatically to the defined users. Okay, so that's scheduling of the report. Okay. We have a question here. I think this is from Vijay says email. So the schedule of the report is emailing the report. Tejasvi has a question. Share the report. Okay. Can't we share the report? Yeah, we can share the report, but sharing report depends on the folder on which you save it. So I mean, we specifically do not go and say share it with anyone. Depends on the folder in which we are going to save it. So I'll just come back to that point, sharing point. But these are the things that we do with the report, right? Save it for future use, export it into Excel CSV, take a printout of it. What else can you do with a report? Once you have created a report, either you will take a printout or you will export it into an Excel or CSV, or take the report out, or you can schedule the report. If it's a monthly or a weekly report, you will schedule it that okay, fine, every week run this report and send it to me, or send it to the, let's say, the management. The other thing is print the report. Either you will print the report. So these are the things that you can do with the report. So how do you, whatever you want to do, how would you do it? First of all, in case you want to save it, you can save it from here. In case you want to save the report, or click on run report. There's this option called run report. Click on that. And here we have all those options, as I said: export, print, save as, Customize will take you back to the same report builder screen. You can again change the report details. Show details will show a list of all the records. Run report. Run report now, schedule future runs. Okay. So before that, let me save the report. Just click on save as. Okay. Now you will have the option of giving the name and defining the folder. So fourth F, which I was talking about, folder, where you save the report. Okay, whether you want to save it in personal folder or public folder. So if you save it in personal folder, then only you can see the report. If you save it in public folder, then others can see. So Tejasvi, that is the answer to your question. Sharing of report will depend on the folder where you save it. Okay. So based on the access, so report does not have any particular, specific, what do you call that, sharing rules and all. Report depends on the folder. So if the folder is public, everyone will have access to that report. And if folder is personal, then only the creator or the person who created the report will have access to it. Okay. So let me go and give a report name. Let's say report 1. I want to save it in public folder. Save. Fine. So the report has been saved. Now you can use it at any point of time. Okay. Next thing that we'll see is how can we schedule a report. Exporting and all these things are simple, but the same report, how can I schedule it? To schedule a report, click on run report and then go to schedule future runs. Okay, and from here you have to select who should receive the email. Send the report to me, and the other option is to me and others. So if you want to send it to others also, you should select this option. Right now I think there is just one user here. If you have more users, you will have the option of selecting more users. Okay, let it be to me only. Frequency, weekly or monthly. Let's say weekly, every Friday. Start date should start on 1st June and this should continue till 30th September. Find available options. Preferred start time will be like 4 AM or something. Whatever options are available for you to start that reporting thing, and save report schedule. So that is it. Got this? Scheduling report, saving report, creating the report thing. Is it fine? Okay, good. So if you're clear on that, the other thing that we will talk about is creating a dashboard.